In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 best smart TVs of 2025, packed with brilliant OLED panels, advanced AI processors, and gaming features that will change the way you watch and play. The LG OLED Evo C5 series is all about picture perfection. With over 8.3 million self-lit pixels, you get infinite contrast, perfect blacks, and vivid colors that really pop. The Alpha 9 app processor Gen 8 brings AI super upscaling, meaning whether you're watching old movies, sports, or streaming, everything looks crisp and smooth. It's also bright room ready, certified to reduce glare so you don't lose detail even in sunlight. For gamers, the C5 delivers a 0.1 ms response time, up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and full support for NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR. Combine that with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker mode, and this TV makes both movie nights and gaming sessions unforgettable. The Samsung OLED S95F is Samsung's brightest OLED yet. Its NQ4AI Gen 3 processor is powered by 128 neural networks, which means it doesn't just upscale, it intelligently optimizes color, sharpness, and sound for every scene. The glare-free screen ensures reflections don't distract you, even in well-lit rooms. OLED HDR Pro delivers lifelike contrast, with highlights that jump off the screen. Sports fans and gamers will love Motion Accelerator 164 Hz for super smooth action, plus VRR support up to 165 Hz in 4K, giving you lightning-fast responsiveness with no tearing. And with Dolby Atmos and Alexa built-in, you're getting both immersive audio and smart home convenience. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. Next up, the Sony BRAVIA II QD-OLED. This TV is tuned for those who want cinematic accuracy and next-gen gaming in one package. Sony's XR processor with AI technology enhances every frame, boosting colors and sharpness in real time. Its QD-OLED panel with XR Triluminos Max produces billions of colors, while pure black control ensures jaw-dropping contrast. For PlayStation 5 owners, it comes with exclusive PS5 features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture mode, so your games always look their best. On the entertainment side, it includes Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, and DTS-X, giving you theater-quality viewing and sound. Plus, you'll get access to Google TV, Apple AirPlay 2, and Sony Pictures Core, which comes with included movies and the largest IMAX Enhanced library. At number 4, the TCL QM8K series shows why Mini LED is a serious competitor to OLED. With QD Mini LED technology and the new Halo control system, this TV delivers bright highlights, deep contrast, and precise light control without halo effects around bright objects. Its Crystal Glow WHVA panel provides consistent color and clarity from any viewing angle, while the zero border design means nearly no bezels for a sleek look. Gamers get a big bonus with Game Accelerator 288, pushing refresh rates up to 288 Hz VRR, giving you blazing fast, ultra-smooth gameplay. TCL also partnered with Bang & Olufsen for rich, cinematic sound. And with Google TV, hands-free voice control, and a backlit premium remote, it's one of the most feature-loaded TVs you can buy in 2025. Finally, the LG OLED Evo G5 series takes OLED to another level. With Brightness Booster Max, it outshines most OLED TVs while still delivering perfect black and perfect color. The Alpha 11A processor Gen 2 brings smarter picture and sound processing with AI Director mode, ensuring movies look exactly as the creators intended. This model is also designed for seamless integration into your home. The one-wall design makes it look like artwork hanging flush against the wall. When you're not watching, you can display art, photos, or ambient visuals. Gamers get a 0.1 ms response time, 120 Hz refresh rate, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, and full support for G-Sync, FreeSync Premium, and VRR. Add Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Filmmaker Mode, and LG's award-winning WebOS with over 350 free LG channels. And this TV is the complete package for both style and performance. So there you have it, the top 5 best smart TVs of 2025. LG, Samsung, Sony, and TCL are pushing boundaries in OLED and mini LED technology, delivering brighter images, smoother gaming, and smarter features than ever before.